In the heart of the Whispering Woods lived a tiny rabbit named Riri. She had long, soft ears and a very big heart. Her home was a cozy burrow tucked beneath a giant, glowing mushroom that turned purple at night. Riri loved her forest, where the grass tasted like sweet clover and the air smelled of sunshine. But one day, the ground began to shake. Thump, thump, thump. A giant elephant named Rumble had marched into the forest. Rumble was very big, and he didn't realize how loud his footsteps were. He trumpeted so loudly that the leaves fell off the trees and the flowers hid their faces. All the animals were terrified. Nuri the squirrel was so scared that she dropped her favorite golden acorn. Riri found Nuri shivering behind a large, spotted leaf. "Don't worry, Nuri," Riri whispered, patting her friend's shoulder. "I will find a way to make the forest quiet again." Riri hopped out to meet the giant. She looked like a tiny speck next to Rumble's massive knees. Rumble was busy knocking over a trellis of berries just to see them bounce. Riri stood tall and cleared her throat. "Excuse me, Mr. Rumble. You are making a very big mess." Rumble just laughed. "I am the biggest animal here," he boomed. "I can go wherever I want and do whatever I like." Riri didn't give up. She looked up at the sky as the sun began to set. She saw the pale moon rising, and a clever idea popped into her head. Riri hopped back to Rumble. "Mr. Rumble," she said with a very serious face, "the moon is the queen of the night, and she is very angry with you for waking her up with your stomping. She has come down to the pond to have a word with you." Rumble's big ears twitched. He was very large, but he was also a little bit afraid of the dark. "The moon is in the pond?" he asked, his voice shaking just a tiny bit. He had never met the Queen of the Night before, and he didn't want her to be cross with him. Riri led Rumble to the edge of the silver pond. The water was perfectly still, like a dark mirror. "Look right there," Riri whispered, pointing at the water. "Do you see her glowing face? She looks very grumpy, doesn't she?" Rumble looked into the water. In the moonlight, he saw a large gray face with big ears and a long nose looking back at him. Because the water rippled slightly, the face looked like it was scowling. "Oh no," Rumble cried. "The moon looks just like a giant, angry elephant. She is much scarier than I thought." Rumble turned around and ran out of the forest as fast as his big legs could carry him. The woods became quiet and peaceful once more. Ulu the owl flew down to join Riri by the pond. "You were very brave and very smart," Ulu chirped. Riri smiled, knowing that you don't have to be big to be the hero of the story.